So I want to share a quick story with you. At the end of 2014, I had just finished self-publishing my new book, Win the Game. I put this seminar together to promote my new book to industry entrepreneurs just like you. I think only 50 people showed up. The books arrived late on the last day, and they were so fresh off the press, the glue hadn't even had time to dry properly. The pages were falling out as I handed those books out. I actually lost money on that book. I still lose money on that book every year. In fact, I spend money so industry entrepreneurs just like you can download it for free. I also lost money producing the first 3 years of the Winter Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo. At that time, I knew very little about publishing a book, conferences, trade shows, e-commerce, virtual online training, virtual reality technology, or even digital marketing. Fast forward to 2021. Wind and Storm is now the largest roofing and storm restoration conference on the planet, with over 3,500 attendees and a full trade show expo floor. Today, my online training platform, SVG University, has reached over 15,000 online annual subscriptions. That's 3,000 companies. In fact, 75 out of the top 100 contractors in America use SVGU today. Our trade show expo floor consists of hundreds of some of the leading largest industry vendors. Manufacturers, suppliers, attorneys, public adjusting firms, technology providers, and much, much more. Just last year, our SVGU virtual reality goggles with 360 fully immersed training made the front cover of Roofing Contractor magazine and many other leading industry and tech magazines. I'm not telling you this to brag or beat my chest. I'm telling you this because I know that some of you today are like I was back in 1999, 2005, and again in 2013. At the bottom of that bell-shaped curve, perhaps miserable, broken, depressed, just like I was. Or just hungry for a change in business and life and in need of a jumpstart. If you're looking for that spark, join us at the annual Winter Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo at the New Orleans Convention Center. It's time to bust a move.